Hi guys, welcome again to Linux Mint setup. I just made a video about auto tiling, how to auto tile, and that's basically what you see now, what's happening now when you press Ctrl Alt Enter. Maybe let's quickly change something here so you see also what we are doing. We have our config, i3 caps by the way, that we're using, but it's still of course the same config here. Let's maximize this guy. I made a typo here, like so. And then alacrity, right? Control find urxvt mod control mod1 returned urxvt alacrity. We've installed that one as well. So let's see, Control Alt Enter. Maybe that's gonna work. What are you? Oh, nothing. He's nothing. So let's kill a few things. Ctrl Alt Enter urxvt. So that's not good. Sublime 3 again open. This is the auto tiling script that we've installed. And that was not what we need. Oh, no, here it is. So Control find alacrity. I've changed Control Mod 1 return. Is that not Alt? Alacrity is installed. Check. And that's the look. So reload. Super Shift. Control Alt Enter. Now it's working. So I had to do a reload. A Super Shift R to reload this thing that I just changed. Alacrity. So that's that. Done that, been there. Thing is, I want to do something else with this thing. This is a great setup, and I told people if you want to learn about tiling window managers, i3 is not a bad idea. But there is a but. It's 1,000 lines. That's it. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. It's a great tool. But I had another what if. If I would recommend people to use a tiling window manager today with the knowledge I have of our Linux project of 22 desktops, I probably will say choose Bspwm, pure for the reason that the config is 50 lines long, not 1,000 lines long, but 50 times long. So maybe that would be a better step to get into the world of tiling window manager, better, an easier way. I don't know. Anyway, I want to have Bspwm on my machine. So sudo apt install Bspwm, and there it is. I've got Bspwm on my machine. Okay. Do they have apt install as sxhkd daemon? They have the sxhkd daemon. Oh, it was already installed by some of my exploits in the past. You see? Okay. I thought there was a delivery guy, but for somebody else, I guess. So we've got Bspwm. Control Alt F. Launching my Firefox Super F full screen. Then I need to go to Linux, right? Linux, GitHub, Bspwm. We figured it all out. Why can't we reuse our stuff? We've written it ourselves. So this is Bspwm RC, but let's just get it all because who knows? Sorry, that's my F12. Yeah, it's there. Let's move this to another screen. It would be better to read. So certain icons have been created for Cinnamon. Extract here. I see we've lost our icons. Alex appearance. Take something nicer. Icon theme. First the widgets. Blue, brown, dark, dark, dark indeed. Color, icon theme, Papyrus Casablanca, apply, kill as well. Actually you have to do tunar minus Q, then open tunar again. Nice, alright. The eye needs what an eye wants. Bspwm, okay, download. We've done a download. We've extracted the download. It's here, it's there, it's in the .config. It's bspwm. Control C. Put it inside the config. Control V. Bspwm is there. Control Alt X. Log out. Select bspwm. Put inside bspwm and see nothing at all. Okay, what are we missing? Any errors you can supply me, my dear system? I guess not. No, it's no possibility. Control T. That's working. Is it working with Polybar Bspwm? What is it working with? I think it's working with Polybar. Is it not? Let's have a look. So the config of Bspwm is auto starting what? What can it not auto start? It cannot find Polybar. Okay, fine. Sudo apt and then install Polybar. Oof, that's there. Okay, cool. Can I switch desktops here now? No, I can't. Then we stick on this one. We got ourselves Polybar. There are keyboards, wallpaper things, but we have our variety that's already there. Set the wallpaper. Here is variety. Dynamic tray, yeah, we don't have that here. Power manager, we do have that here. And the sexy hotkey daemon is working. Thank God, otherwise I wouldn't have any keyboard shortcuts. So basically I need Polybar, but they want me to get also a Polybar config. So Polybar has a config. Arclinks Polybar has a config. Let's just get everything down with zip. And then Control F. It's gonna be in the downloads. It's gonna be here. It's gonna be extracted. It's gonna be there. etc scal config Polybar. Control X to my config Polybar. Super Shift R, reloading. So we have the Polybar up here. Lots of things are not working. That's a module. It's probably wanna start, but let's try. Yeah, there is no Super X does not exist here. Super X is our application to log out. So it's a pycam Bspwm for us. And then maybe I wanted to log back in, but I seem to be stuck now. Clicking maybe a little bit too fast. Okay, be more patient. It is a virtual machine after all. So that's good and that's working. The thing that's not working is down, it's up here, so the numbers. Font. Let's have a look. Bspwm. No, not here. Eh? Yeah, here. Where is the font set in Polybar? Is it numbers that we created there, or is it something else? So the config, the long config, Bspwm. Super F. Make it a little bit bigger. And then we read. We read all the time. Not all sans. Font awesome, not all sans. Is Photo Sans installed? I think yes. I think it's installed. I would imagine it is installed. But what might not be installed? The X window, I guess that's this. Bspwm. It's pointing to something else. First the Noto fonts. Sudo apt install Noto. Something. No Noto. Okay, then ttf Noto. ttf Noto. No ttf Noto. Fonts Noto. Yes, please. No, too long. Sudo apt install fonts no. There they are. Was it already installed? It was not. Okay. So what were they using as font? Super, Shift R, reload. I had hoped to see now something up here. The fonts being installed. I must admit, and all the rest, mono maybe. All the rest does not interest me. No, it's installed. So that's strange. The modules to the left, Bspwm. Let's have a look. Next, 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 next. Here we are. Module Bspwm, internal Bspwm. I'm looking at special icons here. The special icons are probably the awesome things. So sudo apt install fonts awesome or something. Fonts also no. And awesome itself. It's good to know that awesome is there, so we can install awesome as desktop. It is not the font. Don't tell me they don't have awesome. That's not possible. That's not possible. That's not possible. That is not possible. Everybody has the awesome font. I'm just mistaking. Awesome font. How is that possible? Don't see it. So I'm gonna go for the internet. Linux Mint. Font awesome. It's just a name written differently. Cannot be in here. Cannot be in here. Not be in here. Huh? No, it's not. Yeah. Does that work from the terminal? Aptitude. Yeah. What was that again? Action maybe. Package resolver search. I want to go to search. Control S. Help quit. CT. Q is quit. U is update. No. Enfin. Don't know the keyboard shortcuts, but I need to have the awesome font. I need to have the awesome font. Where's the awesome font? How can I find the awesome font? That's now my challenge. Is there a way to download Linux Mint for free? Yeah. Strange. Why is this so difficult looking for a font? apt install awesome extra. This is not gonna be the font. Nope, lip lua. Control C. Awesome extra. No. TTF. Awesome. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video here and look. Seems it was in front of my eyes all the time. It's called fonts. Font. Awesome. Why are they using both fonts in there? Fonts. Font. Awesome. Lost time with that. Super Shift R. There we have the fonts. Alright, so we have Bspwm on our system. Awesome. No, not awesome, Eric. Bspwm. Okay, sorry, Bspwm. For the rest, we could have a look at all the others thing we've done, and it's in here. So check this out. pycam with, you have to call it Compton. We've seen it in the i3 videos that I've made, and that's all. And for the rest, open up Auto Start. And check or delete whatever we don't want. How was this again? Control plus, yeah, okay. Making it bigger. So launching Polybar, yes. The phase is installed. Phase not installed. Sudo apt install phase. Does that exist? That's wrong. Voila, phase installed. Nitrogen was also installed. Variety was also installed. So now it will set a wallpaper that does not exist, the Arco wallpaper. Cool. Good thinking. But phase exists, right? So you can use it if you want it. DAX is not necessary as well. xzroot, is that installed? xzroot. Have to look up what's that for again. I don't know. At some point in time we put it in there. We're running the sxhkd daemon. There is no conky available. The variety is running. nm applet, does it exist? Yeah, same name, so it's this thing. Network manager applet. PAMAC tray, yeah. I guess there won't be no PAMAC tray, right? This is Linux Mint, remember? But if we wanted to have that tray thingy, they have a tray thing, probably gonna be called mint something. Mint report tray. What do you think about that? Mint report tray. That's the only tray thing I see. He's ignoring me. Okay, keep on ignoring me then. Mint install. Mint locale, mint stick. This is our USB application that we're using on Arch Linux. Oh, new wallpaper in the back end. Mint update automation launcher, maybe tool. Mint update tool. Let's see. So I want something similar as PAMAC. So an icon that says, hey, you need to update. Oh, look at that. Depreciated, they say. Deprecated. We can maybe type help behind it. Nope. What's that? Automation. Run as root. Bad arguments. I didn't give you any arguments. Still bad arguments. Mint update launcher. Do not run this as root. First have to be root, then I don't have to be root. Okay. Ah, that's it. That's the little icon I was looking for. This thing. Okay. Okay. Figured it out. So mint update launcher. Allez. Oh yeah, but can't copy paste. So pamac tray, gonna be mint update launcher save. XSC power manager, numlocks on. Don't think we have numlocks installed. Sudo pacman apt install. I'm having so much fun. Numlocks. Yes, it exists. So my numlock is on always. Otherwise, I have to do it manually. Don't want to do it manually. The Blueberry tray. Did we install anything Blueberry like? Don't think so. Apt install Blueberry. We have Blueman as well. So if you're thinking of choosing is losing, but you have to choose. So Blueberry, Blueman. Choose one that works for you. Simple as that. Blueberry is installed, so I can have Blueberry tray, can't I? But I guess that's just a VirtualBox thing. So there is no Blueberry here. pycam. Ooh, that's a major mistake. Compton, of course. Compton. Let's reload. This should be working now. If this needs to be changed as well. This is not the pycam thing. It has a different name, pycam policy something inside there. We've done that in the video of i3, so you go check there for that line. Volume icon. Sudo apt install volume icon. ALSA. Okay. Volume icon. And we've got ourselves a volume icon. Open mixer. Xterm not found. Okay. Sudo apt install pavu control. There you have it. It's there. They don't like Xterm. Do I need to have Xterm to have that? Sudo apt install Xterm. There you go. I got Xterm now. Ah, now we got this. That's not nice. Rather like the UT version of it. Okay. Qt version. Better. All right. We just want to try something out. So we have Bspwm running. Volume icon will be there when we boot up. So to make it complete, right? Let's don't save, and let's not don't save. Let me quickly copy paste the line from i3, not IT. Open file, config, i3, config. Open, control find, polkit. So this is what needs to be launched in user in Linux Mint. Control C, auto start. It looks a little bit different, doesn't it? It looks a little bit different. Gonna be a little bit up like that. That's what needs to be launched. And then we have the polgit GNOME, and your pop-up for your sudo password will come. I wanted to have the Compton working by the end of the video. So home config pycam, the name doesn't matter, but everything should be Compton. And then file, open file, config, whoa, we're at the right place, pycam, control find, VirtualBox vsync false. Save, Control Shift R, reload. Kill, 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 kill. Control T. Not working. Control Shift Escape is not created yet. So GNOME system monitor. System monitor. Is content working? If content is not working, yeah, can't work. Yeah. Sudo apt install. I'm pretty sure I've got it, but it's there, so it's not launched. Was it Visual Studio Code I was working on? Yeah, it was Code. So we start content here, config, home, config, BSB, pycam, yeah, would be good. So if we kill it, pkill bspwm, then login, it should say, it should kick in. Shouldn't it? Shouldn't it? It should, shouldn't it? It does not. Pycam not found, so that's cool. Content up, it kicks in. So it's not launched for some reason. When I open up Bspwm, what does the computer do? Follow the reasoning of the computer. It's going to here, it's going to auto start this thing. It's gonna do this and that and that, and then it's going to go for this line. Does that work, that line? Oh, I can't copy paste. Alacrity is there? No. Then we open Alacrity. Go away, go away. I think this was Alacrity, but I'm not sure anymore. Alacrity. Control Shift V. Ha! So, Control home, configure pycam.conf. Aha. There's an error when reading a file. Syntax error in line 85. Syntax error in content.conf. We're gonna fix you. Open file. pycam.conf. Open 85, 85, 85. This line. Okay. There's nothing wrong with that file. You stop it with this. So the shadow exclude is the problem. Delete. Save. And now I think it's working, but it's not working. Is it? Oh yeah, oh, it's working all right. So something in here in between these lines bugs our distro. Doesn't change anything on Arch. It does change something here. I would try out this one. And I would try out, no, that's the one I would try. Super Shift R, is this saved? Control S, yeah. R. No, must be something else. Any of the class things. Reload. No. So any of the name things. Reload. Some of the name things. This one. That's the one. Everything is working now. Voila. Solve that one as well. We have a nice look. Transparent. I like my terminals to be transparent. I don't know about you, but then I can see my wallpaper, right? Alt-N, Alt-N. Oh, that's a nice one. And that's how we leave you with this nice image. Enjoy Linux Mint. There's so many possibilities, and as you see, we're all one big happy family because we're getting code from here, from there, adding applications to it, and it all works. Super. Congrats, Team Linux Mint. Cheers.